The FTTR solution routes fibers to each room of the villa. Only 2 steps are required to deploy the solution in the house. The first step is fiber installation. The transparent fiber is slender and has a small minimum bending radius. It can flexibly adapt to various turning angles during cabling. It can be quickly and easily installed horizontally, vertically, and over external or internal angles. Even when passing through common door seams, it fits perfectly without any friction from the doors. The transparent fiber is almost invisible after installation and has zero impact on the original decoration. The compact splitter enables simple plug-and-play installation. The extra fiber can be stored in the access terminal box. Step 2. Connect the primary ONT, power on the edge ONTs, and plug the fiber into the uplink ports. Then a full home Wi-Fi network will be